Going back, since my childhood, I had a dream of having animals and plants as my best friends. Not only that, but also to be surrounded by them most of my time. My dream wasn't true, not until I started a free-range farm. Here, I found joy. I share memories with goats, chickens, turkeys, rabbits, plants, and above all, I make money. I know most of you will share the same dream. In this video, let us see how to start a free-range chicken farm. Here we go, how to start a free-range chicken farm. You have been asking this question all along. Free-range chicken farm is a very profit-making business, and many individuals are generating income all over the world by raising free-range chickens. Free-range chicken production, it's a profitable business. However, there are essential things you have to do before venture into the business enterprise. You have to decide on the size of your project, the number of birds you want to keep per cycle, and your market target. Of course, this option will be impacted by the amount of funds that you have. If you don't have many funds, you can always start small and expand your farm. Remember, Rome wasn't built in just one day. At first you need land, housing, and equipment for free-range chicken farm. When choosing your poultry business location, you need to balance the need for the closeness to the market together with the expense of property, labor expenses, safety, and a fantastic water source. The kind of housing you need will depend on your poultry project size. When planning to construct a free-range chicken house, you have to pick a well-drained location with pure air movement. The right housing should have proper ventilation and right lighting, just like in other systems. Free-range chickens need adequate space for them to develop nicely. You ought to have equipment like drinkers, feeders, lighting systems, and laying nests. At number 2, we want also day-old chicks. My advice here, you start with the day-old chicks from a reliable hatchery or company. You will get positive results because you will raise them the way you want them to be. Is it for eggs, meat, or both? It would be best if you started your free-range chicken farming business. After getting experience, you may then hatch your own chicks, which will greatly reduce your expenses, as you will no longer need to buy the old chicks. Number 3 to consider here is chicken breeds. Here is where the confusion comes from. Most people, when they think of starting a free-range chicken farm, their minds are locked only on local breeds. There are many different breeds of chickens, and the right breed to choose will depend on your needs. You can do a free-range chicken business for selling eggs, for selling meat, or for both meat and eggs. This includes hybrids commonly here like Craters, Sasso, Rainbow Roosters, Kennebrew, etc. are good for both eggs and meat. Here still at number 4, there is feeding and nutrition. Feeding is important to increase the production of eggs and meat from free-range chickens. In a free-range poultry rearing system, adult cocks and hens should be given enough time and adequate space for scavenging in the surroundings daily. The best time for scavenging is early morning and late afternoon, where there are plenty of insects and less heat. Supplement feeds should be offered in the morning and evening when chickens come back for the night. Clean water should be provided in shaded areas during the day to avoid heat stress. You will also need proper vaccinations and medications to prevent diseases to promote your free range and backyard chickens growth. The advantage of rearing free-range chickens is that you will get most of their food from scavenging and surroundings. Thus, the feed costs are minimized. Just here, you need green pastures around your chickens' housing. Number 5, management and labor. The number of workers you need will depend on the size of your free-range chicken project. If you are running a smaller business like 100 birds, you and your family members may be enough to take care of the chickens. However, if you are rearing more number of birds per cycle, you will need full-time employees to take care of free-range chickens. There is also a need for good technical knowledge and management skills for business success. Finally here, market for free-range chicken meat and eggs. The free-range chicken market is high and increasing as more people are moving towards organic and healthier food. Many people prefer organic free-range chicken's meat and eggs compared to other chicken's meat and eggs. This is because a highly nutritious free-range chickens, delicious, organic, and healthier. Thus, the demand for free-range organic chickens continues to rise and have a higher price. You can supply your free-range chickens meat and eggs to individuals, households, schools, companies, restaurants, butchers, supermarkets, organizations, etc. You can sell your chickens as live birds, or you can slaughter and freeze and sell them as dressed chickens. Was concerning how to start a free-range chicken farm, and that's what I had to correct for you today. The chicks, see you soon.